Hey guys, Lemon Gamer here. Today we are playing BTD5. We are on the second episode of how to play BTD5. So, you always want to get your money because that's what you do, and we're gonna load that game you were watching in the last video. I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, see? And now we got the lightning. Round 34. See? There's the lightning. It's really cool. That's a little loud. Let's correct our money. Let's see. You want to get that after it loads. So yeah. Yeah, the witch is really good to have. You probably want to get more of these things. Whatever. Is there room for one? Oh, I saw it. Did you? I think I could see it. It was right there. You saw it? Yeah, we found it. Woo! How much money are we gonna make now? Okay, now see the lightning, and now we're gonna get a super monkey. I really want to get the super monkey. It's really good. And I think we're gonna have it at the end of this round. Yeah, we definitely need a super monkey. Nope, we didn't get at the end, but we'll get it right when the thing starts. Oh, we should get it right when we take that. Oh, it's 3,500. Then never mind. We'll get it in a different round. We can now get it after this round. Ooh, that's good. Anything else? Aw, that's close. So, now you want to place your super monkey down wherever you would like. I like placing it like right there, just to keep it. It's just a little. See now they're only having it, and this is like a backup. Super monkey's a backup guy. We're gonna get more banana farms. You want to get as many banana farms as possible. Yeah, we need to get lots of banana farms to do this. Okay, there is our second one. My last video, I was a little tired because I woke up really early, doing that video. Oh my, I hope these don't go through. Yep, he got him. Yep. Ooh, that's good. The bunches of banana. I'm gonna get that next. Okay, let's wait. Okay, I think we have it now. Yeah, we got this. Whoa, it's getting a little laggy. Lots of balloons coming through. Yeah, looks like. Ooh, there. Oh, we got it. The next one, I think. Around. Ooh, we're close to around 40 something. Okay, let's make him a little better. Let's upgrade his to laser eyes. We're gonna get laser eyes in a little bit after this all goes down. That lightning is just super helpful. That lightning ability is so cool. Ooh, that's really good to have. Yes, oh, we got a new tower, guys. It's Mortal Tower. It's not, I don't think it's that good, but I don't know. Maybe you can do it on this. I'm excited about this. This is really exciting to be with you guys right now. Thank you for joining me if you're watching right now. This is really nice. If you can subscribe and like the video, help show support. I'm just a starting channel, and I really want to, get pretty good at this. So if you're watching this or this is your first time seeing this Splendid Gamer, please subscribe and leave a like and comment down below what I should do next. Just upgrading some of these. Nice, these. Look at that. Wait, ooh. I should upgrade that. That was smart. Should I upgrade his range? Maybe a little. Who's popped the most? Definitely that ninja. Whoa, a little laggy there. Okay, I think we can get this in like 2 seconds. Oh, we got that. Oh my. Oh, he can pop him, right? Yes. Let's get that. Now you want to save up for the more money, or we want to... Do I have this power yet? Ooh, super close. Oh my. It's a lot of money that just came through. I think I should put... Actually, no. I think I'm good. I'm definitely gonna get... When this upgrades, I want to get it. I'm gonna save up for it. I think it's 4,000 or 5,000. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. This is real exciting. Okay, look at this. Okay, now we're a little better at the game. Now we have like a super monkey. Now things get really exciting. Let's make sure I can pop all those balloons without... Ooh, cool. I need to get that upgrade. I have so much money. I don't know what... Maybe I should get another lightning. I'm gonna do that, actually. Gonna place her right... Him or her right there. Well, that sounds even awesomer. A lot of noise going on back there. Yeah, I know. I'm excited. Please, I really want to get this. It's really good to have. Like, extremely good to have. It will make us be, like, even the laser is really good, but I just need this if it can upgrade. Plasma Viper is everything it touches. Oh, wait. Oh, please. Oh, it's going to be my first blimp. Look at that. Look how massive that thing is. It's not that big, but... Uh-oh, that's not a good sign. I don't know if I'm going to win this. If I do, I don't know. Please. Yeah, we got this. Oh, ooh. Oh, we got this, I think. Yeah, we got this. Please unlock. This. Oh, yeah, I have to have this. Yeah! Now we have plasma. Boom! 5,000. That's a lot. Whoa. I think I want to get another super monkey just to be, like, safe. What a monkey. Money going everywhere. Ooh, I forgot to I'm gonna save up for the more money because then you get 40 instead of 20, I think, or you get 60. That's. Almost okay. We're doing good over there. Ooh. Oh, that's so cool. I don't know. I should probably save. I think when that goes, I'm gonna upgrade that because I don't need the money right now. Because I'm doing great on money right now. Ooh, we're almost about to beat the level 50. Really excited about this. Oh, I have enough. Should I? Or should I wait? I don't... Okay. Looks like we're gonna have to do another section of the video because my my recording, I have a free edition because I'm not that good. It's running out. Like and subscribe. Bye.